What's up? So today we're gonna be doing mini twists because I just don't feel like doing my hair for a couple days. So what you need is a parting comb, a brush, detangler brush, some clips, your curling cream, and a gel. Well, you actually don't need it. Oh, of course, and some water. Well, you actually don't need the gel because, well, I didn't, because I'm starting off on an old wash and go, and my hair I just used the same products that I use for my wash and go. So I used the Shea Moisture Curly Enhancing Smoothie and the Wetline Extreme, and I just went in with that again to do the twist. But you really didn't need it because once you wet your hair, there's product still on your hair, so you really did not need the gel. You did need the moisture, the curling cream, so you can get that moisture from the curling cream, but other than that, you did not need the gel. So I didn't use the gel. You know, especially if you're doing it on an old wash and go, you most likely won't need the gel. So now I am sectioning my hair, and you always want to start off in the back of your head. Well, I start off in the back of my head because that's just what I do. And now what you're going to do is you're going to part a smaller section and tuck that bigger section away. Now you're going to spray it with some water, of course. Get it wet, nice and saturated, and you're going to detangle. Make sure you get all the tangles and all the knots out. You're going to spray it again. Make sure it's well nice and saturated. Now I just went in with 2 brushes so that I could make sure that my hair was thoroughly detangled because my hair was in a wash and go state. But you don't have to do that. So now you're going to take your curling cream. Or maybe not. Okay, now you're going to take your curling cream and you are going to put it on. Make sure it's nice and thorough throughout your hair. You're going to tuck that section away. This is why you need the clips, because you're going to be using them. Y'all see the curl definition though? Okay, come through. And now you are going to twist your hair. And this is literally all you do throughout your entire head. You just detangle and twist. It's very simple, nothing to it. You don't even have to part. And now you're going to take some more and put it at the ends and make sure that your hair is curled at the end. Okay? Nothing to it. As you can see, I'm not even worried about my parts, what my parts look like, because they're mini twists. They're gonna look like passion twists when you're done. But that's okay. Now mine are a little elongated for some reason. I think that's because of the gel that I had for my wash and go, because this gel does make my hair elongated, and this styling product that I use is really thick. It's the curl enhancing smoothie by Shea Moisture, and I noticed that when I do my twists with this product, it does make my hair more elongated. So just using 2 elongating products, my hair did come out a little bit longer than usual. And you know, that's okay. We love a little bit of, length, I like to show my length a little bit, so that's fine. Now, this took me about an hour to do. I watched Daddy Daycare on Netflix. And from the time I started this process to the time I stopped was about however long that movie is, which is about an hour if I'm not mistaken. So this took me about an hour, especially because I was twisting fast. And when you do when you do have something, you know, to watch, you do go a little bit faster because you're not really concentrating on your hair, you know what I mean? If that makes sense, you're concentrating on the movie. So for me, when I'm doing a longer style, I always like to watch a movie on Netflix or watch a TV series because it just goes faster. So yeah, and at some point during the video I did stop because I stopped the video because it didn't make sense. It was getting repetitive. So I did just, you know, go ahead and watch my movie. But eventually I do come back and show y'all the end result. So y'all can stick around for that. I'm literally doing the same thing over and over again until my head is completely done. And I guess that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, all that. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye. Okay, so now I'm back again, and this is the little section. I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. In the front, same process. Just gonna detangle a little bit and twist. And my hair is low porosity, which is why it's stretched like that. But it does curl up once it dries. But you know, it's just the perks of being low porosity. Your hair just looks like it doesn't curl when it's wet. But we all know it does because I'm natural. So I think I did about 3 twists here in the front. Make sure you curl those ends. And this video is sped up, by the way. I do not twist this fast. I wish. Okay, and now you are done. Now, as y'all can see, there is a lot of elongation. I guess it just depends on how long your hair is too. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.